Quick question. Does your team ever feel scattered? Tasks are in one app, files in another, conversations in chat threads, and deadlines get lost in emails. That chaos kills productivity. But here's the good news. Today, we're looking at ProofHub, an all-in-one project management and collaboration platform designed to bring everything together in one place. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about ProofHub, from why teams love it, to how to set it up, explore its features, and understand its pricing. Why ProofHub? Now, before we jump into the tool itself, let's talk about why ProofHub exists. Most teams today rely on a mix of apps: Trello or Asana for task management, Slack or Microsoft Teams for communication, Google Docs or Notion for notes, Dropbox or Drive for file sharing. The problem? Switching between tools wastes time and creates silos. ProofHub solves this by giving you one central platform where your team can plan projects, assign and track tasks, chat and discuss ideas, share and review files, and generate reports, all without leaving the app. And here's something unique. Unlike most project management software, ProofHub uses a flat rate pricing model. That means whether you have 10 people or 100 people, you don't pay per user. For growing teams, that's a huge cost saver. Setup and getting started. All right, let's see how easy it is to get started. 1. Go to Google and type ProofHub, or just use the link in the description. 2. Click on Start Free Trial. 3. Enter your details: your name, email, company name, password, and phone number. 4. You'll also choose a custom ProofHub URL, something like your team.proofhub.com. 5. Solve the quick CAPTCHA and hit continue. From here, ProofHub will ask a few onboarding questions like, do you want to use it for a specific team or your entire organization? How big is your team? For example, 6 to 10 people. What type of work are you focusing on? Content, design, marketing, or something else? Once you finish these quick steps, you'll land on your dashboard. This is the home screen where you'll manage everything. Features, in depth. Now let's explore the key features one by one. 1. Projects and tasks. Projects are the backbone of ProofHub. Let's say you're launching a marketing campaign. You can create a project, give it a name, pick a color for easy identification, write a description, and assign a project manager. Inside each project, you can create tasks, subtasks, set deadlines, and assign them to specific team members. Tasks move through different stages, like backlog arrow in progress, arrow completed, using a Kanban board. You can literally drag and drop tasks as progress happens. It's visual, simple, and effective. 2. Multiple views. Not everyone works the same way. Some people love lists, others need timelines. ProofHub gives you flexibility. Board view, Kanban style for agile teams. Gantt chart view, great for tracking dependencies and timelines. Calendar view, to see deadlines in a monthly layout. Table view, like a spreadsheet. This makes ProofHub adaptable whether you're managing content, software development, or operations. 3. Discussions and chat communication is built right into ProofHub. Instead of endless email threads, you can start a discussion topic, for example, video production workflow, and invite specific team members to join. There's also a chat feature for quick one-on-one or group conversations. That means you don't need to pay for Slack or another chat app. It's all here. 4. Notes and files. Need to save brainstorming ideas, meeting summaries, or SOPs. The Notes feature is perfect for that. It works like a lightweight Notion or Word doc inside ProofHub. And for files, you can upload, store, and organize project-related documents. You can even use ProofHub's proofing tool to review designs, add comments, and approve versions without endless back and forth emails. 5. Time tracking and reports. Now let's talk about accountability. ProofHub has built-in time tracking, so team members can log hours for tasks. You can generate detailed timesheets and track productivity across projects. Reports give you insights like who's working on what, which tasks are overdue, and how much time each project is taking. Managers will love this because it helps with decision-making and resource allocation. 6. Workflows and customization. You're not stuck with default setups. ProofHub lets you build custom workflows to match your team's process. For example, a content team might use draft, review, published, while a development team might use to-do, QA, deployed. 7. People and permissions. In the People tab, you'll see everyone in your organization. You can assign roles, set permissions, and track activity. Need to add a freelancer for one project? Easy. Need to give managers more control? Also easy. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is one of ProofHub's biggest advantages. There are just 2 simple plans, the Essential Plan and the Ultimate Control Plan. The Essential Plan costs $45 per month when billed annually, or $50 if you pay monthly. With this, you get 40 projects, unlimited users, and 15 gigabytes of storage. The standout feature here is unlimited users. So whether you have a small team of 5 or a larger team of 50, you won't pay extra for every person. Then there's the Ultimate Control Plan, currently offered at $89 per month billed annually, normally $150 or $99 if you pay monthly. This plan gives you unlimited projects, unlimited users, 100 gigabytes of storage, plus advanced features like custom roles, white labeling, detailed reports, workflows, API access, and much more. So, no matter your team size or needs, ProofHub's flat pricing makes it one of the most affordable and predictable project management tools on the market. And of course, there's a 14-day free trial so you can test everything out before committing. I've left a link to the free trial in the description. Go ahead and try it out for your team. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what's your biggest challenge when managing projects right now? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,